Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of squirrel hunting here in southern Indiana on some public land. It's about 20 minutes before the sun comes up, so I'm going to head on in, get set up. We'll see if we can get any action. Alright guys, got back in the woods. Squirrels look like they're cutting pretty good, so hopefully it'll be a good morning. It's nice and calm. Probably got 10 minutes before the sun comes up. It's not a very far walk back here. So I'm gonna sit tight and wait for the woods to wake up. As soon as I did, about 10 yards from where I was sitting, a couple squirrels came out. Headshot, number 2. It's real thick in here, so it took me a minute to find this one. Another headshot. Male. He was chasing another one around. It's probably still in here, but I've made way too much noise now. I'm trying to find this one. I actually walked past it 3 times. I had to go back to where I shot it from and kind of mark the spot in the limb. Sure enough, there it was. So I'm gonna move to a different tree. It's getting a little later in the morning, so we'll see what happens. Well guys, that's the end of today's hunt. Managed to get 1 gray and 1 fox squirrel this morning. It's getting fairly warm, so I'm gonna head out. Wind started picking up about 8 o'clock, so it's kind of hard to catch movement. Seen quite a bit this morning, I'd say 5 or 6. Missed 1 and then managed to shoot those 2, so thanks for watching.